Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana 2024. And I would like to use this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a happy new year and also with good health. It is my prayer that by the end of the year, those that are planning to begin with their project will see a massive change, will do the most. Those of us that are already in the process will be getting to the finishing, or even will get it done by the end of the year. So since this is my first video of the year, I would like to use it as a motivational video to motivate someone out there who is thinking of doing something in Ghana. And this project really consists of everything that I have been preaching here on the channel, everything I've been talking about. This project is a proof to whatever I'm saying. Actually, this is a project from one of our subscribers here on the channel who has been watching my video for some time now and has gathered all the information that I've been sharing and has done a similar thing. And this proves that the method I've been sharing here on the channel actually works. And I'm happy that he wants to share all the information with us, including the cost estimate, from details. Everything he bought, he has record, and he wants to share it with us to also motivate someone, because I did the same thing with my Pram project, and he saw how everything was, and he, also did the same thing, and he thinks it's possible, and everybody can do it. Maybe it's your first time here on the channel, or you just join us here and you have no idea of what I'm talking about. My goal here on YouTube is to motivate you and guide you to build your own house yourself. I want you to be part of the whole process, because I believe this is how you're going to find joy, and happiness in what you've created yourself. Build up your own team, minimize space, take advantage of what nature will present to you. As you can see, this project is not big at all, it's not big. And like I said, he took motivation from my Pram project, which is like 47 feet by 50 feet, and we did magic with it. We have 3 levels, 7 bedrooms, and this person has also done almost like the same thing. His space is even 35 feet by 50 feet, which is less than mine, and he is also going to the 3rd level, and this shows that you don't even need a full plot to build that house that you want. With with just a half plot, it's possible to do it. With a friend, you can buy a land around Accra, closer to the city. You split it into 2, you build your beautiful house on a half plot with a good plan, and if you need help with all of those things, Gigo Production Group is here, to help you guys. We will get more into, the details of this project. Like I said, we have the cost estimate, the number of blocks, the quantity, everything, iron rods. We have details of everything. We will get into it later. But for now, I just want to introduce this project to you guys, let you know what is upcoming here on the channel. The owner will also talk to us, advise us, also share his experience. If you watch from the beginning, you saw the number of rocks they have to take from the land. There are so many things that we can learn from this project. So many things that we can learn from this project. So I just want to motivate, someone out there. It's possible to do it. It doesn't matter the size of your land or the size of your house. It is all about what you need and want, and how you want to live your lifestyle. This is just on a half plot, and it is a 4-bedroom house. Can you imagine a whole 4-bedroom house? You can decide to put 2 of this on one plot, and you decide what you want to do with it. You can rent it out or you can sell it out. It's all about you. So that's the dream of this channel. We are not here to take over your project and build your project for you. I really don't advise that. We always want you to be part of the process. Be part of us. Let's build your dream house for you. And that's what this owner did. He only built when he's home. If he's not home, he takes the pause, take his time, save the money, maybe buy the materials, little by little, and when he has bulk, he goes down and then he gets the job done. It's a gradual process. You can decide to just build straightforward, 6 months, 10 months. But the problem is, are you going home now? Why do you stress yourself? Why do you push yourself to to get it done and you are still not home? If you are going to rent it out, I understand. Yeah, then you have to get it done. But you could see the environment, even though there are houses around, but you just take your time to build, see what other people are doing. You can be doing your changes. This is all part of the building process. Building is not a rush. You break it down. When you get the estimates, don't panic. Just take your time, see what you can do one step at a time. Break it down, do what you can at a certain stage. If you can go home, you go home, you get it done. You pack your tools, you come back Europe, you come to hustle. If you have the money, you go back again next year, December, whenever you have the time. If you think it's impossible for you to go home and get it done, that's when we come in. But it's not that we are taking over the project and we're going to do it for you. No. We need a representative from you, someone who will represent you, be on site often, so that you can share your ideas with the person, so that when the person comes on site whilst we are building, we can be communicating so that we know, what you really want. That's it for elgigogh Production Group. So this year, I'm motivating and I'm challenging. That is what the owner of this building said to me, that he wants to challenge anybody that they can build themselves. You don't need us. You don't need me to build your house for you. You can do it yourself if you have the right team. This owner has his own team. He came up with his own team. These are his own guys. Some of them are his friends. All you have to do is to it's a communication. Sometimes he do ask me for advice here and there, check the estimate and all those things for him. We communicate, we go through all of those things together. And I believe he's not only watching from my channel, he also watches people's other channels as well, gather more information, and you can do it yourself. But we will go into all of those videos, all of those challenges. Like I said, this is just introduction for you. We will start again from the foundation. Some of the challenges he went through, like I said, the cost estimate also, I will give it to you guys, and you will be shocked. You will be shocked how much he has spent on this project till this far, even including with the land price. It's nowhere close to like what I'm seeing on the channel. Like it's nowhere close to that. And this is because he did it himself. Sometimes you think maybe the plane ticket is too much, but trust me, you going and doing it yourself, you realize that it was even much better for you to go spend that plane ticket money to get it to your taste, to your satisfaction, and you will realize that the difference is not even that much. Like what people will be charging you and you going to do it yourself, trust me, you appreciate doing it yourself. That's why I motivate, because I am doing it myself and I know the way it feels being on the ground, doing it yourself, knowing what you are building, and that's the feeling I want each and everybody to also have. Not just build a house, just have that feeling, of you doing it and involving your kids. That's what I saw in this video. Most of the video that I got from him, his kids were on site, even all the way from the foundation, the digging, the clearing of the land. His kids were there till this stage. Most of the videos were shot by his kids, and it's nice to involve your children in this process. One day if you are no more, they can say, hey, I was part of this project, I built this thing with my parents, we did it ourselves. And one day when his kids grows up and they can build so many houses, bigger mansions, you think they will find it easy to sell this house or even to rent it to someone, and they see the person mismanaging the house? You think they will take it easy? No, because they were part of the process. It doesn't matter how much money they will make, this place will be their foundation for their children and their children and their children. And that is the legacy we want to leave behind. I will update you guys in my next episode, where we begin with the whole structure, how we started and how it's going. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel to follow this project, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look, do we?